So I got some microgreen seeds in the mail today. These are from trueleafmarket.com. You can find a link in my bio for those. But I'm going to open these up and see what I'm going to be experimenting with as far as microgreens grow. And you can follow along with me. So I'm opening these up here. I haven't looked in here yet. But I got a variety of microgreen seeds that we're going to be experimenting with. I'm not a professional or anything. I'm just a beginner with microgreens. But I got some arugula. And I got some sunflower. These are kind of the most popular microgreen seeds that I could find. I got some pea, and I got some radish, and I got some kale, and some broccoli. So those are kind of some of the most popular ones that I was finding, and I'm going to experiment with these. See how they taste, see if they taste different, put them in salads, put them on different foods. I'm just doing it for the health benefits of microgreens. They are extremely healthy, 40 times more nutritious than their parent plant. And we're going to try them out and growing them in different ways. You know, I'm not doing this for a business or for profit or anything. I got these mats, these trays on Amazon. There's a link in my bio for that as well. But I'm going to be trying out these trays with no soil to mess with. So one of these trays goes in here like this, and I'm going to be trying to grow microgreens on here. Maybe for certain types of seeds, I can put the seed right on here and try to get them to germinate like a screen, or I can put a finer screen on top of this and see if I can get them to grow and just water underneath. So I'm trying to do no soil and no like coco coir mats or anything like that. I don't really want to mess with those. I don't want to have to buy soil or mats every time and throw them away after each use. So I'm going to try it this way and experiment with it, and you guys can follow along and see how it goes.